Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. Today I'm at Resort Rio and I'm here to attend a corporate event. In this video, I will give you a room tour of the room I'm staying in and a banquet tour where the event will be happening. This is ultra luxury suite room. 700 square feet luxurious room offers very elegant interior with balcony. You can get either king size bed or twin bedded as per your choice. Rooms offer spacious washroom with cubic shower and bathtub. Now, let me take you to the banquet. This is Resort Rio Banquet Hall. This is 4,800 square feet banquet with pre-function area. This is pre-function area. And we are in process of setting up high tea. Setup is almost ready for this meeting for 100 people. However, this banquet can take 220 people in a cluster seating. If you want to host any off-site or conference for 100 to 200 people, this could be one of the ideal venue for you. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and comment your feedback and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.